Made in America. High quality, industrial-grade professional tools made in the USA. Complete SA, metric combination set contains all common, popular inch and sizes. Inch sizes: 0.050, 1/16, 5/64, 3/32, 7/64, 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8 and sizes: 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. EKLIND hex keys, Allen wrenches, are used to drive internal hexagon socket, Allen head, fasteners. Optimum strength. These EKLIND tools are made with EKLIND alloy steel that is heat-treated, quenched and tempered for optimum strength, torque and ductility for safety, and coated with a rust-resistant finish. Identify your tools. Tools are color-coded in red for inch sizes and blue for metric sizes so you can reach for the correct tool quickly. Keep your keys organized. A plastic holder firmly holds each key in a sized marked hole so you always have the size you need at hand. Meets or exceeds all applicable standards. EKLIND tools meet or go beyond the standard regulations set forth in ANSI, ASME, RoHS, REACH, CA Prop 65 and Dodd-Frank conflict minerals legislation. Top reviews from the United States. Organized Allen wrench set. This Allen wrench set is perfect for my tool bag. The wrench holder keeps the wrenches perfectly organized.